Hey guys, Clever Pup, and today I'm going to be showing you the secrets of a light switch and a outlet. You do not need wire strippers. So if that's what you're thinking, you do not need wire strippers. And no, that is not why I have a knife and needle pliers. The only thing that I'll be using the needle pliers is the cutting end right here. The knife is to score the sheathing. This one looks like it's already scored, so we'll do this end so there's no compromise. This end is not scored, so we'll do this end right here. I'll do that right now. So we'll score it. Pull back the layers. If you want, you can always have some more. Just like that. Just like that. We do not need to worry about the copper. Okay, so we just have the white and the black. That's all that's going on right now. So that's out of the way for right now. Now I'm pretty sure you guys all know there is a strip gauge on the back of your outlet and light switch. It says right there. See? Strip gauge. You would just basically put this up to it right there. You would mark it right there with your fingers. Just like that. And you would hold it like this. And usually you would get your wire cutters or wire strippers. In this case, we're going to be using the light switch. So this is what we're going to be using, is the light switch. Now, where are we going to be using it? You might ask yourself. Well, I'm going to show you right now. So there's little notches up here. There's ones down here too. But we'll be focusing up here. Now, right there, it says strip 12, number 12, wire. And over here, it says strip number 14 wire. Can you see that pretty good? I think you can. So, I'm going to take our wire, put it back on the gauge back here, right about there. Put that right up to it like this. You see that? Just going to put it in. Shove it in, just like that. Just snaps in there, right? Just like that. And now what you do is you turn it. And now since you turned it, I don't want to hit the camera. Yeah, I don't have no socks on or shoes on. I'm at the house. I just found this out, so I figure I'd give you guys the info. So now we're just going to turn it like that, right? We turned it. And now we're just going to pull it. Just like that. And you can see the sheathing is in there, like this. And you have your wire stripped. And you can do the same thing to the white one. Take it and pull it. I'm sure you've seen it. Good shot on that one. You ain't gotta do it. Obviously, you don't gotta do it to the ground. Now, there's more features to this. Okay, I'll show you. There's a little words that is right here. It says loop hole, and that's what this one is. This one is for your two finishing screws. This one down here and this one. We're worried about this one here. So take your wire. You put it in. Just like this. And you bend it over. And there's your loop. You can do the same thing to this one. I just got just that much right there. Take it and start bending. Same thing to the copper. You can go too far on them, just so you know. So there's your loops. There's how you would cut it. There's how you would splice your sheathing. The outlet does the same thing. As you can see, right there, it says strip 12-2 wire. Or it says strip number 12 wire. Basically, it's that wire right there. And on this side over here, it says strip number 14 wire. So that's your white wire. So you got one for white and you got one for yellow. And now on other outlets, this one, like this one's the strip gauge. You can see right there. This one's a little bit different. This is saying put your wire here, right there, all the way up to this arrow, this little spot right here. Okay, there's those two outlets covered. Now there's other tricks that you can do with your outlet. These little things down here, where you got an indent here, I don't think you can do it the ones that have the stripping ability. You'll have ones that come with no stripping, and you have ones that come with stripping ability. The ones that don't come with stripping ability, there's little indents right here. See that little indent right there? This one you can't do it. It'll be too. You can break it off, yes, but you'll break off your stripping ability. On the bottom, you'll be able to do it if it's not hard enough to do it. If it's hard enough, go get the other outlet that's more pronounced in the indent right here. And what this does is, if your outlet is just a little bit underneath of the drywall or something like that, you can break these off and you can put them on this screw back here. That's what this one's for. See this one? This white square block? You can just take this, and you can put it on either on this side or on the bottom. And then obviously you got your ground, your hot, and your common. But that's all I got for you today. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully it helped you out. If you like this, leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Here's what I was talking about for your spacers. That's where this would come in handy. Your needle nose. You would have this here. You would use the whole feature of this. Okay. You would use this for your cutting your wire, and then you would use your other feature of your needles. And now you would just take this, and don't do it on your stripping side. This is your stripping side. Basically, look at the smiley face, and it'll be on top. So on the bottom, you would take it like this, just like that. And now this piece will go underneath this. You can also go like this. And that's just to raise up the outlet from the wall just a little bit. Alright, there you go.